Hello children, welcome back to my virtual classroom. I am Somvir Chaudhary, your mentor. Today we are going to learn our fourth method, Reducible Variable Method. First of all, I'll tell you where you have to apply this method and why. So, whenever you see you have a pair of linear equation in two variables where your variables are in denominator like this. 2 by x means variable x is in denominator plus 3 by y is in denominator. Again here 5 upon x means x is in denominator, and here 4 upon y means y is in denominator. So whenever you see your pair of linear equation in two variable is like this, when variables are in denominator, you have to apply this method, reducible variable method. So again, what we have to do, like this 2 upon x, we have to transform, we have to convert these two equations in this way. This 2 upon x can be written 2 into 1 upon x plus this 3 upon y can be written 3 into 1 upon y is equal to 13. Same way, this equation can be written this way. 5 into 1 upon x minus 4 upon y. This can be written 4 into 1 upon y is equal to minus 2. So actually these are your equations. What we are going to do? So we are going to replace this 1 upon x by p and 1 upon y by q. So we will put, where 1 upon x is there, we will put p at the place of 1 upon x and q at the place of 1 upon y. So your equation will be 2p plus 3q is equal to 13 and 5 1 upon x की जगह हमने p रखा, 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. Now if you see these equations, they are like the same which we have done earlier in three methods. We have used three methods: elimination method, substitution method and cross multiplication method. So these equations can be solved by any of the method, but we will use here again elimination method. This method can elimination method. So in this method, what we are going to do, first of all, I'll multiply this with 5 and I'll multiply this by 2. ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं हम? Because we have to equate these coefficient of p. हमें coefficient of p को equal करना है. तो यहाँ पर 5 है, यहाँ पर 2 है. अगर मैं इसको 2 को 5 से multiply कर दूंगा तो this will be 10. अगर इस 5 को मैं 2 से multiply कर दूंगा this will be 10. So your equation will be 10p plus 15q is equal to 65, and the second equation will be 10p minus 8q is equal to minus 4. Now in this elimination method, the next step is we see the sign of the coefficient which we have made them equal. Like this is 10, this is 10. ये हमने इक्वल किए हैं. तो इनके साइन चेक किए, ये भी पॉजिटिव है और ये भी पॉजिटिव है. तो जब भी सेम साइन हो, हमने पहले ही बताया था, एक जैसे साइन होंगे तो हम इनको क्या करेंगे, सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे. सबट्रैक्ट किया, सबट्रैक्ट करने पर साइन चेंज हो जाती है. ये प्लस है, इट विल बिकम माइनस. ये माइनस है, दिस विल बिकम प्लस and this will become again plus. This will be cancelled out. 15 plus 8, 23. Q is equal to 69. 65 plus 4, that was 69. and from here you will get q is equal to 69 upon 23. It will give you 3, right? You got here q is equal to 3. Now put your value q is equal to 3 in any of the equation. For example, first equation में हम रख देते हैं इसको. This was 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. If you put 2p plus 3 into 3 is equal to 13, you will get 2p plus 9 is equal to 13. Take 9 to right hand side, you will get 2p is equal to 13 minus 9. P is equal to 4 by 2. You got two values. P is equal to 2. This is the value of P and Q. This is not a solution because you have to find out the value of X and Y, but you got P and Q. So what we are going to do, we are going to replace these values. For example, here we have already taken P is equal to 1 upon X, so we will put the value of P here. So 1 upon X is equal to 2. We will put where value of Q 3, 1 upon Y is equal to 3. So from here you can easily see we got the value X is equal to 1 by 2 and Y is equal to 1 by 3. So it's a simple process, right? हमने बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं किया है. हमने पहले अपने x और y को 1 upon x और 1 upon y को p और q में स्टोर किया और वापस हमने जब p और q की वैल्यू निकाली तो वापस हमने 1 upon x की इज इक्वल टू वो जो p की वैल्यू थी वो रख दी. फॉर एग्जांपल ये 2 थी और 1 upon y की जगह हमने ये जो वैल्यू q की थी वो रख दी 3. 1 upon y इज इक्वल टू 3. सो हमें x और y की वैल्यू मिल गई. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द नेक्स्ट मेथड, स्पेशल मेथड. ओके, सो अब ये हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम है कि हमें ये स्पेशल मेथड और किसी बुक में तो गिवन नहीं है, अपनी एनसीईआरटी में भी नहीं है, तो हमें ये स्पेशल मेथड अप्लाई कहाँ पे करना है. सो नाउ लुक एट दिस, ऑब्जर्व दिस पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन. 37x plus 43y is equal to 123. 43x plus 37y is equal to 117. हमने क्या किया है, इसको ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करो. लुक एट दिस पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन. यहाँ पे 37, दिस इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x. इन सेकेंड इक्वेशन दिस 37 is coefficient of y. Here in second equation coefficient of x is 43 and in first equation coefficient of y is 33. Now whenever you see that the coefficient of x and y in one equation are interchanged in the other, we have to apply this special method. जब भी कभी हमें इस तरह की सिचुएशन मिलेगी जहां पर हमारी x की जो कोफिशिएंट है वो y के पास चला जाएगा और y का जो कोफिशिएंट है वो x के पास चला जाएगा नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन में, तो हम ये स्पेशल मेथड यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये स्पेशल मेथड है क्या एक्चुअली. इसमें दो स्टेप हमें फॉलो करने होते हैं. लाइक बोथ द स्टेप्स आर गिवन हियर. यू कैन सी स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2. इन स्टेप 1 वी हैव टू add these two equations once. How? I'll tell you. Like this is 37x plus 43y is equal to 123 and second equation is 43x plus 37y is equal to 117. In first step you have to add them. So if you add them you will get these two. Add them, you will get from there, if you add this 37 plus 43, 80x plus 80y equals to you take 80 common from there, you get x plus y, and x plus y is equal to 240 upon 80, you get 3. So you get one equation, x plus y is equal to 3. So this is the first step, right? In second step, you have seen subtract the given equation from subtract one equation from the other. Okay, so now I have given here. Now see, this is once we added, you got this equation, x plus y is equal to 3. And if you subtract like this is our first equation. If you subtract these two like this way, 37x plus 43y is equal to 123, and this is 43x plus 37y is equal to 117. You have to subtract. When you subtract, your sign will be change. This change. 37 minus 43, you will get minus 6x plus 6y is equal to 6. So when you see, if you take minus 6 common from there, you will get x minus y minus, because this positive will be negative when you take minus common, is equal to 6. So x minus y is equal to 6 upon minus 6, you will get minus 1. And x minus y is equal to minus 1. So you got two equations. One is, this is your third equation, and other one is this fourth equation. When you solve these two equations by any of the method, you use substitution method, you use elimination method, you use cross multiplication method, you will get the value of x and y, and you will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Okay, I'll repeat this method once again. हमने क्या किया यहाँ पर, हमारे पास ये पेयर ऑफ इक्वेशन था जहाँ पर 37x plus 43y is equal to 123 and 43x plus 37y is equal to 117 था. हमने क्या किया, एक बार इनको ऐड किया, ऐड करने से हमें ये इक्वेशन मिली, नई इक्वेशन x plus y is equal to 3. एक बार हमने इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, बोथ द इक्वेशंस, एक इक्वेशन को दूसरी इक्वेशन से सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो हमें एक नई इक्वेशन मिल गई, x minus y is equal to -1. सो दीज टू इक्वेशंस हमने फर्दर सॉल्व की किसी भी मेथड को यूज करके, तो हमें मिला x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. This is the simple method. Now let us try this one. Okay, this is your question from NCERT book, optional exercise 3.7. Okay, 152x minus 378 y is equal to minus 74, the first equation, and second equation is minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 60. This is your second equation. So the same, the coefficient of x here in first equation is coefficient of y, and coefficient of y in first equation is coefficient of x. Now this way, as I told you in previous example, first we will add them, adding. So ऐड करने में तो हमें साइन के चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती, डायरेक्टली हम ऐड कर देते हैं. सो यू विल गेट minus 226x minus 226y is equal to minus 876. Take minus 226 common. You will get x plus y minus 678, and if you find out value of x plus y, you will get minus 678 upon minus 226. Minus minus, you can cancel out 3. You got one equation, x plus y is equal to 3. This is your third equation. Now second time we are going to add them, sorry subtract, not add. Add तो हम पहले कर चुके हैं. This is our equation, 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74, and second equation is minus 3. 152y is equal to minus 604. Now this time we are going to subtract. In subtraction, the signature, the sign will be changed. This minus will be plus, this plus will be minus, and this minus will be plus. So both positive, you add them. This will be 530x minus 530y is equal to 604 minus 74, 530. Now take 530 common. You will get x minus y equals to from here x minus y equals to 530 upon 530. Yes, fourth equation is x minus y is equal to 1. Use any of the method. For example, the first x plus y is equal to 3 and x minus y is equal to 1. If you add them again, these will be cancelled. 2x is equal to 4. From here, x is equal to 4 by 2. You got x is equal to 2. And if you put x की वैल्यू यहाँ पर अगर हम रख दें 2 plus y is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. You got y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of this pair of equation in two variables. Simply, it is not so much difficult. You have to do first, you have to add them, and next step you have to subtract. Then you will get to more equations and you solve them using by any of the method. You will get the value of x and y. For your reference, I have given this complete solution. So you can scroll down, you can see, you can pause the video and see the solution once, twice, and after that you have to do this assignment. There are 6 questions in this assignment. You have to do all 6 questions. Pause this video and note down all the questions. I hope you enjoyed learning today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and please subscribe this channel. If you like my video, please subscribe this channel so that you get the notification of the next video. Thank you.